Hey guys, press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update from Pinkvilla.
Well, I feel that it is very important to be yourself and let that show through. So don't just blindly follow trends. I think that you should pick things that suit you, suit your body type, your personality. And just be happy. Today I'm wearing Puneet Balana and I'm actually walking for his show, so I'm really looking forward to that. Puneet's outfits, as you can see, are very organic, very lightweight. He uses a lot of hand-made fabrics and block prints that are handmade. So I think that's really nice, and it's also kind of keeping in what my style is, which is very kind of easy, relaxed, comfortable. And also I like that he blends traditional with modern. So if you notice, his fabrics are very traditional with traditional prints on it, but the silhouettes and the cuts are kind of a mix. They're bohemian, kind of a mix of Indian and Western, which is why I like them. Probably a pair of shoes, because I buy shoes a lot. I mean, I have a lot of shoes and I feel like they're just not enough to keep buying shoes. I would want to, but I feel like I don't have the patience to. Also because I feel like when you walk into a store that's on sale, everything's upside down and nothing's in order, and it really bothers me because I'm a sucker for, I'm kind of OCD when it comes to things being in place and being in line, and I can't handle it. It's just really, I want to run away. So I don't end up shopping at sales that much. I do it online though. Well, Puneet is definitely going to be a go-to designer from today onwards. And I also really like Anamika Khanna, I like Amit Agarwal, Manish Malhotra, so many actually. Beauty trend, I've started to like highlighter a lot, just on the cheekbones, just to lift the face, and I feel like it also works well for very minimal, basic nude makeup look. So that's my go-to daytime look. What beauty trend that I like? I'm not that much of a fan of very, very dark lipstick. I feel like it doesn't suit me. I mean, I like it as a trend, but I just think it doesn't work on me, so I kind of avoid that. Well, I hate that it takes so long. I mean, I'm slowly kind of running out of patience in terms of being able to sit around getting my makeup and hair done. It takes like 2 hours. But then I love the result at the end, so you kind of weigh it out. But what's great is that you get to try different looks, experiment, almost be a different person each time, especially if you're shooting on a film, play different characters. So I think that's interesting when it comes to getting ready and trying some experimenting with hair, makeup, and the clothes that you're wearing. I'm good for now. I was not at all a fan of innerwear as outerwear. So I feel like nobody's doing that much anymore. So. Pinkvilla. All-time favorite is Kate Moss, but I also really like Kendall Jenner. Chanel bag that I bought a while ago, but it's still my most precious. If you guys enjoyed being backstage with me, then like, share and subscribe to Pinkvilla.